It can sometimes feel impossible to maintain your weight loss. With all of the delicious, unhealthy food readily available, it can be difficult to stay motivated. In this video, let us talk about the 15 great ways to lose weight fast. Want to lose weight fast? It's easy to say lose to 10 pounds of unwanted fat. With these easy diet tips, just pay attention to what you eat, and be sure to have good tasting, fresh, and healthy food including snacks, fill up on vegetables, and keep your taste buds happy with fruit. No need to make sacrifices. Just follow these simple guidelines to lose your first 10 pounds, last 10 pounds or give your weight loss program a boost. When it seems to have stuttered to a halt. This is a balanced and flexible plan that you can use for as long as you want. Number 1. Keep a note of everything that you eat and drink. You do not need to estimate calories. Just write down what it was that you had, and the approximate quantity. You will find that being more aware of what you are eating helps you to plan healthy meals and snacks. Number 2. Have your intake of all pure or added fats. This means using half as much butter or spread on your bread, toast, muffins, and potatoes, half the usual amount of mayonnaise or sauce on your salad, and half the oil in the fry pan every time. Number 3. Limit treats containing sugar to 3 times per week. This includes chocolate, ice cream, desserts, cake, pastries, cookies, etc. Number 4. Include a lower fat source of protein at most meals, chicken, fish, beans, cottage cheese, or low-fat yogurt. Have eggs, nuts, and red meat occasionally, but not every day. Number 5. Plan at least one lunch and dinner every week without meat or cheese. Build those meals around whole grains, vegetables, and beans to increase fiber and reduce fat. Number 6. Reduce the fat content in your milk products. If you are currently drinking whole milk, reduce to 2% fat. From 2%, reduce to 1%. Choose lower fat cheese and yogurt. When you buy yogurt, also check that it does not contain sugar. Number 7. Have at least 2 servings of fruit every day. This can be for dessert or snacks. Choose fruit that is in season. Number 8. Drink water instead of sodas, juices, milky drinks, or alcohol. Avoid diet soda. The sweet taste only encourages you to crave sugar. Hot water with a slice of lemon can be very refreshing in the morning. Number 9. Include at least 2 servings of vegetables at lunch and dinner. If you are getting hungry, have more. Number 10. Eat slowly. The body is slow to register when you are full, and it is easy to eat too much if you are racing through your meals. Number 11. Grated carrot makes a great snack. You will find that a grated carrot is much more filling than a whole carrot. Strange but true. Number 12. Use whole grains wherever possible. The fiber will give you a fuller feeling and also help your digestion. Number 13. Choose food that you can chew. Again, this will increase your fiber intake, and the act of chewing will make you feel more satisfied too. This means eating fruit instead of drinking juice. If you have soup, make sure it is chunky. Number 14. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. Plan your shopping too. Make a list of what you need and stick to it. If you just grab something when you are feeling hungry, you will probably choose high-calorie food. Number 15. Always switch off the TV when you eat. That includes snacks as well as meals. Studies have proved that we eat larger portions in front of the TV, probably because we are much less aware of what we are eating. When you eat, only eat if you want to lose weight fast. Thank you for watching. Leave comments, share, and subscribe for another exciting and informative videos. See you to our next videos.